What's up, everybody? Good morning. We're back. This morning we're in. I'm so sorry. I'm tired. It's been a long night. Um, we're in Belton, Texas. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, we're in Belton, Texas, at Mr. Josh's house. Here's a beautiful pergola he's got done. We're gonna do a border all around with no dig, black rubber edging. Put in plants and put in mulch, and then that'll be it. So stay tuned today. Now I'm about to head back to Home Depot in Temple, Texas. Get what I need. Like I said, we're gonna put in black, no dig, rubber edging all the way around. We're gonna put in mulch all the way around. And they're gonna backfill with plants and soil. So stay tuned. So about 3.5, 4 foot wide border with no dig rubber edging going all the way around. This we got mulch and then plants all around, and they're gonna eventually do a little walkway going up here. So we're gonna leave a little area out right here, so they can walk up in here, probably a bag or two of granite or rocks or whatever. But everything else can be no dig, black rubber edging all the way around. Weed barrier, plants, and then finish off mulch, and then that'll be it. Right around 12 o'clock, it's moving. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? When a neighbor does this to their neighbor yard, I'm working back here. They saw me working, they start doing this. What are your thoughts when that happens? That's a wrap. We're all done out here in Belton, Texas. This client of mine, Mr. Josh, him and his wife and the little boy, they wanted this done. Looks nice, it's better. Weed barrier, fresh mulch, fresh plants, no dig, rubber edging that actually you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot any given time. But yeah. If you need an estimate, call me, text me, send me pictures 24/7, 512-507-0149. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Google TexasMorganLLC.com on Google. Facebook search Travis Wayne Morgan or Texas Morgan LLC. YouTube search Travis Wayne Morgan. And you can always check out my work. I'm super easy to reach. You gotta literally call me, text me, send me pictures. We service all Central Texas. Hadn't got out of state yet. Calm down, we'll get there eventually one day. But just all Central Texas. All the way from Waco, San Antonio, Austin, Bell County, Travis County, in between Williams County as well. Yeah.